Buhay! I am Kim Abituran, second year college, best HM student. So guys, we are here in the Pinang City Church of St. James, and come with me to explore her church.
The Pitan trace its beginning long before the Spanish conquistadores set foot on the island of Mindanao. Its early settlers were the Subanins, a nomadic tribes of Indonesian. Stocknose have settled and live along the bank of river or Suba, out of which their present day tribal definitely originated. St. James Parish Church symbolizes the early of the Pitan. The old Spanish masonry and architecture are still evident even if the century has passed. Since its construction, it was built in 1871 in honor of St. James the Great. You are free to come here in Church of the Pitan City. Come and visit now.
Thank you for joining me to discover the beauty of St. James Church. Once again, I am Kim Abituna. Mabuhay! Maraming salamat po. Ingat